Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are going to be making slime. I'm so excited. So
We have all our things in here, and we have the activator.
And we
poured
have
it in this.
and we have bowl, spoon, and we're going to show you what we have in here. So what we have in here, we got glues, glitter glues, pom-poms, and this is a full bag of what, beads, I think?
And glitter. I can use glitter.
And
I'm gonna make a blue slime.
we have these.
Yeah.
Let's put them.
Just put all the things that we want to use.
Yeah. So I want this one, guys. No, we have to be showing you guys. Guys, we also have glitter. And we have tissue to wipe off our hands, so we'll use that at the end. We have glitter. And you should take this for your slime. So this is blue.
Ooh, okay.
So we're going to take the stuff that we want.
Yeah.
And then guys, I'm going to also add these rainbow beads. And also white.
Okay, I think I have everything I want. Yeah, I have everything
And
I need.
I'm also going to add the silver glitter. Let me see. Maybe add some little. Guys, I just want to add some stuff so my son can
You
do
can
that.
add pink.
Ooh.
Oh yes.
I'm gonna add one of these.
I'm gonna
Please
have.
open it. So I'm gonna take I'm gonna do two. I'm gonna take these two. I'm gonna take silver and pink.
I'm gonna take blue.
Just pick two. No, just one.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. So we're going to remove everything. So we remove the bag.
Yeah. This is so exciting.
Yeah.
It's been a long time.
Okay, guys. So we got all of our stuff. Now you stop making our slime. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay. So
Okay.
we are really gonna add in the yellow glue first.
Oh my god, this is so long.
Look. Just pour it in. Oh, my god. So you just do this, and then you squeeze. Oh my gosh, I can't even squeeze this out.
The same.
So you just wait for it like this, and you squeeze. So like you just do this, just wait for it a bit, so that it will soak. Squeeze.
Oh, you're so right.
It's way easier. My one's way good, so one's so clear. Like that. Wait, again. Oh my god. Just wait for it again. And we're going to it again, guys. Oh my days, I'm so excited.
Same, right?
Ooh.
Anyways, I'm just gonna shake this.
Okay.
We've got some little glue there. Knew that was gonna happen.
I'm done.
Yeah.
It just, oh my days. Guys, I just go through my days. Okay. Okay, guys, so we're done with the yellow. Now I'm going to add in the pink. Don't add a lot. I'm not adding a lot. Okay, that's enough.
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to show you how it looks. So it looks like this. Oh, this looks so nice. Okay, now I'm going to add in the white foam balls.
I'm just gonna add in some glitter. Oh my god, that was so much.
Okay,
Okay, so I'm
I'm
now
done.
gonna add the blue thing.
Okay, guys,
Hold
I'm going to add these, what are they called? There's some little gems. I don't know what they're called. I'm just call them gems.
Oh, something exploded. Okay, anyways, now I just
Oh
have
my gosh,
these.
just pour all of it on.
So I'm gonna
I'm
add
gonna take. Let me just take some more glue, guys.
Oh, that's why I hate this one.
Okay, never mind.
Just add
Okay, guys. Now I'm going to add in the silver glitter.
Okay, I added the whole container.
Now silver glitter.
No, this one's not
Not the
hard.
silver.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna show you how it looks as well. It looks like this.
I'm gonna show you mine when I finish.
Nice.
Thank you. Yours look nice as well.
Thanks.
So this is mine.
Guys, I'm going to add in the rainbow foam balls.
Rainbow. So wait.
Crunchy.
Am I allowed to mix it and then I add the activator?
You can do what you want, guys. You can do what you want in the slime.
Okay, I'm just gonna mix
Let me
it.
add a little bit of blue. It will look really good.
Oh my god.
Okay, guys.
Oh my god.
I am going to add.
It's turning green instead of blue.
It looks nice. It looks like a mummy color. Show it to the guys.
So
Okay,
this
guys.
is how it looks. I really wanted it to be like blue, but instead it turned into a green. Wait,
Okay,
I
guys.
have some more.
I'm gonna add this pink stuff.
Just wait for this.
Okay.
It's gonna mix it all.
Some pink
It
stuff.
looks like cereal.
Okay. Now I'm going to add in the silver pretty hearts. Okay. Pretty. Okay. Okay, guys. Here it is so far.
Oh my god, I'm so messy.
I'm going to be mixing it in 3, 2, 1.
You just like smack.
I just chuck it in.
Okay, anyways, I'm gonna add my activator now. My hands are so messy.
Mine not nothing, guys. Mine looks so. Let me add in more pink. I need some more. I need colors.
Okay. I got
Let
it.
me add in pink and blue. I'm gonna make like a purplish color. Okay, that's enough. Yes, mix it.
This one is literally eating the activator.
Oh my days.
Oh my god, this is so exciting seeing how it is forming.
Oh, you just add your activator.
Yeah, I finished. So this is how it looks so far. Is just eating all of the
Now
activator.
mine's green. Oh. Wait.
That's why I know we should not add the yellow. And then it already finished eating all the activator and it
Okay.
didn't even form.
My
I
one's
should
green.
add more.
Okay, guys, my one's green. I don't want it to be green, but it's okay. We don't need that.
Don't worry.
I'm gonna add in more glue.
Okay, it's chunking. It's getting chunky. I really wanted to say a rhyme of this, what I just said. No.
Okay.
It's not even.
You have to wait. You just have
Where's
to.
my tissue?
Guy. Okay, here's the tissue. Guys, you have to keep mixing. Just keep mixing. So mom's this. I'm gonna add in more silver glitter. I want it to be nice and colorful.
Like, I'm so.
Oh, golden is my favorite. Okay, mix.
Oh, it's turning!
Guys, now I'm ready to add in the activator. Activator is adding.
Yes, sir.
You didn't add those glitters. You really didn't add these glitters.
I don't know. I already added my glitter. Where is it? Yeah, I added blue.
Guys, mix it.
So fun using your hands.
Not fun. Not fun using your hands.
I said it is fun. This is how it is.
Guys, I'm just stirring. More activator.
Okay, please put some on mine.
Okay.
Please,
guys.
It's
Okay, guys, I need my one needs more mixing.
oh my god.
Yeah, mine needs more mixing. Look at that, guys. Yeah, mine needs more mixing. Yes, mixing and me. Mixing.
I take out my spoon.
Mixing and messy.
Thank you.
Mixing and mixing and
It's so hard. I'm need some more activator. For some reason, this thing is not turning. Just turn to this.
You have to keep mixing it.
This thing has to eat.
Mom's on the turn, guys. Wait.
Oh my, I'm turning.
Mom's turning. More activator.
I need some more as well.
Okay.
Thank you.
My hands are getting tight, guys. I'm mixing. Okay, let's move the activator so you can guys see.
Oh, look at this, guys! I've been mixing in my hands for so much.
Oh, it's turning.
I feel like I'm getting weak.
Mine was sticky, but it needs more activator.
Yeah,
I'm not gonna mix with my both hands. Ew, mine's cold. I hate cold. Well, it has to be cold, right?
That's what I'm
Guys,
saying.
look. Oh my name.
Mom got stuck to the tissue.
Ooh. Oh, awful.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh my name. Guys, look at that. Oh,
Take away
slime.
the tissue.
How are we gonna replace our slime?
That's what I'm saying.
Okay, let me just break.
Mom's getting there.
Oh, we need more later. I don't care. No, well, my clothes.
Oh, like a bug is actually on me.
No, right.
It was my pom-pom that.
What?
Oh.
Oh, guys, look at it. Slime. We need more mixing. Mixinary.
Oh my god, why is this so...
Mixinary. Mixinary. Yeah. Mixinary.
Actually, we're literally losing all of the activators.
Oh! My hand was so tired, but guys, we have to keep mixing it because we need to make this slime work. Really one is like getting already worked out good, so it's just my one needs to mix.
Oh my god, guys,
Ew, guys.
take all the slime down.
I'm using what?
I need some. No,
This
this
one's
one.
nearly done.
That's what
Yes, enough.
Oh my god. I'm so clumsy.
We have to be so cool now.
Oh my god. My clothes. Why did you do that?
Really one is like a dark green, one one's light green.
That's what I'm saying. I'd rather take the dark green.
I don't want to take light. Oh, babies. Guys, look at the slime.
We should, when we do another one, we should, this time, let's use white glue so that
We don't even have white glue. So.
I thought we do. I thought we did.
We don't. Oh, guys, this is actually so cool.
Oh my.
Look at the slime.
Look at this thing.
Oh, my days. My hands are getting so tired. But you still need to be mixing. Mine was bigger. Mine was small.
Oh my gosh, Chanel, did you see that?
What?
Look. I just
Okay.
flinged it.
We fling her own little mini slime. Okay, I need some more. Oops. Later.
We might finish using activate because look at this now. Now a blob or something.
I want to put my
I
slime.
think mine is working.
I'm gonna be back, guys. I'm gonna get.
Oh my god.
Let's use these plates to put in our slime so that we can play with and stuff.
Yeah.
Okay, guys.
My one literally nearly fell on the table. Cloth.
I didn't want that to me. Let's put our bowls aside. Ew. Okay. hands on me. Wait, just a tiny bit more. Okay, that's enough. Guys,
This is the first time in a long time doing this.
oh guys,
Okay.
oh slime.
It's
Slime.
black.
Yeah, I think it's black.
Mine looks like a mermaid colour.
No, it doesn't anymore. My, I don't know, my one looks like black. Adding more blue glitter to make it more glittery. Maybe adding some of that blue glitter.
I want it to be blue.
Guys, I'm gonna add in some of Venice blue glitter.
I want it to be blue. Eat it. Yeah, eat it.
Guys, look at my slime.
Wait, I want to show you. Beautiful. Oh, look.
Yeah, I
I
know.
like it. I love it. I like it. We need this.
Look at this. Look at this. Oh, slime.
And the whole thing. Because it's looking so blue and I love it. I just love it.
Guys,
Guys, I'm just going to please too much of this. It's just so good.
okay.
I think I'm the only one that made this.
Okay, let's do a bubble.
I'm going to just do this.
Let's do a bubble. What is it? What is it? Slime. Ah.
Okay,
My
so I'm
one's
going to show you right now.
My one took time. My one
This
took
is
time.
mine.
Yeah, my one took time to make.
Same.
It's fine.
I'm like, hell.
Okay, now we're done. And my slime is light green.
My slime is this.
This color is. Oh, that's nice.
Don't worry, just adding more blue.
Cool. I want to add it. I want it pretty. I don't care. I want it pretty. Ew.
Then when you mix it up, the glitter will exist.
Mama won't. Mama won't.
It's called a big. Okay, so since we finished, we can do our.
You just do some little contest with it.
So. Oh, let's do it. Okay, so let's do a contest. So let's do. You know, I think you should choose. I don't know.
Let's do stretch.
Okay, so Chanel's first.
My one stretch is so long.
Okay.
Oh no, there's something on the
my
table.
It's cold. Mom's stretch is like so high. It's an unstoppable stretch.
My one's like a bluish greenish.
It looks like a glittery.
I want to add in blue. Guys, I just want to add more pink.
That's so adorable.
Oh no, I want my slime to be pretty.
Like,
I don't care. All I care about is my slime being pretty.
that was funny. It was like,
Oh no.
you made yours a little worse. Oh my god, you made yours worse. It's clumping off.
Get me more activator for my. Where's activator? Oh, get it there.
Let me have a little
I
there.
don't care. Do it for me. Your hands are green. Okay, listen. Guys, I want my slime to be like Renee. So, hey, move the activator so the guys can see how my slime is.
Okay, wait.
Okay. Yeah.
And what should I also add?
I had you.
Wait. Why do you do that? No.
Oh my god.
mermaid colour.
Okay,
Oh,
guys.
look. Now we can add it.
Yes, do more contests now.
Okay.
Okay, so this next. You
Should
think,
I use?
oh, you think of one.
Um,
Oh, look at my hands.
a big bubble contest.
Wait. Guys, look at my hands.
Wait, let me see.
I don't care because I want my time to do it.
I don't want that to stain, or you're not allowed to touch me.
I will touch you. That's all I thought.
Why did you touch me?
Guys, sorry for all of the wait, but I just wanted my slime to be blue.
It's gonna.
My slime is pretty blue now. Okay. We have a pretty new activator.
Should I add a lot of activators?
I don't, because I need my slime to be proper nice. Because sometimes activator, you have to use every activator because sometimes slime takes time. And then, yeah, so you need to be using the activator.
I think I finished mine.
So, okay, let's get back to our contests now. So, what's the contest that you're doing?
Okay, so
Oh, the bubble or the...
the bubble.
Okay.
The bubble. So, me first.
Just wait, let me just knead up my slime a bit. Wait. Oh my God. Whoop.
Oh yeah, here's your silver.
Okay. Okay, guys. My bubble. Let's see how my bubble.
Oh, yours is big.
That one is big, I know. But that one, yeah.
Whoa, whoa, buddy.
Oh,
Oh,
you couldn't do it properly. Oh, it is because of together.
it's called.
Okay, guys. My contest next is clicking. So we're gonna click. Oh no. Okay. Renee, you click your slime first.
Okay.
Yeah. Almost have blue here now, blue greenish.
Okay, I done.
Okay. Okay. My one. Mine was so big. Why? Why is mine so big?
You have to do some big container.
Guys, who do you think click? Who do you think the slime click is better? You're in it.
I don't know.
Okay. Yes, do the squeeze. You know when you squeeze it.
Yep.
Okay. Okay. Let's do this. Do your slime like this. Okay guys, I think we're on to the end of the video. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe, hit the bell, and we see you in the next video. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Bye.